A smashing, unanimous decision, the U.S. Supreme Court siding with an Idaho couple in a property rights battle against the EPA. Here to talk about this ruling and how it will affect other cases and all Americans, we're joined by Judge Andrew Napolitano, senior judicial analyst. Great to have you with us.
Good to be with you, Lou.
This decision, you're surprised it was unanimous?
No, I'm not surprised it was unanimous. This was, as lawyers look at these things, a very narrow ruling on a very fine point of law, which was the EPA's decision with respect to the Sacketts a final decision, or were there still EPA rulings to come? Because the law that governs when you can appeal the EPA says if it's final, you can appeal. The
Supreme Court told the EPA to go to hell.
Yes, it did.
And I mean, that's, if I may go to the really technical, professional
maybe a place worse than hell. They have to go before a jury of Idaho landowners in the area of Idaho where the Sacketts want to build their house.
Hallelujah.
That is
justice. Now we're talking about
that
justice.
Is the last group that the EPA wants to confront. Look, they've been getting away with this since the 1970s when the EPA was created, because the statute that creates them gives them such broad discretion, and judges are not supposed to second guess them. But they can say a desert is wetlands.
When EPA can walk into that situation, walked onto the ground that those people own after they had permits and acted as arrogantly as they have, and then $100 million in fines against two citizens of the United States. And it took, now let's go to the bad part of this. It took 5 years, Judge, to get here.
Yes.
That is unconscionable.
Yes, it is. Justice Scalia's word is correct. Unthinkable. But yet it did happen. And the Supreme Court is sending them back to a trial court. The EPA does not want to go to that trial court. I think the case will be resolved.
Well, yeah, it better be resolved because otherwise we've lost our country. Andrew Napolitano, thanks for being with us.
Thank you for having me.